Hello everyone, a very good morning to you. Today I am back with new lesson for you and the title of the lesson is On the Wings of Courage. First, we will know the meaning of the title. When we speak about the word wings, the picture of the bird's wings comes before us. What is the importance of wings in bird's life? Without wings, life of the bird is very difficult. On the other hand, a bird with weak wings is not as much courageous as a bird with strong wings. In short, bird's courage depends on the power in its wings. Higher the power, more the courage. How wings of birds give power, in the same way, some wings are there which gives power to human, to a country, and to the country's people. These wings are that country's fighter plane's wings. Yes, we are talking here about the wings of fighter planes. Power of any air force is depend on the number of planes, feature of planes, and most important, pilots. On one hand, planes give courage to pilots. On the other hand, pilots give courage to planes. Yes. If your pilots are not skilled, well trained, and able, then however modern planes you have, they are useless. In this lesson, we are going to learn about such a pilot, man of courage, the legend in the Indian Air Force, Marshal Arjan Singh. This lesson is a brief biography of Air Force Marshal Arjan Singh. And because this is an informative lesson, there is no specific writer for this lesson. Marshal Arjan Singh. India will always remember him as a war hero for his contribution in different wars. He served as the third chief of the air staff, that is chief of the Air Force, from 1964 to 1969. Leading the Air Force through Indo-Pakistani War of the 1965. He was the first and only officer of the Indian Air Force to be promoted to 5-star rank as a Marshal of the Air Force. The 1965 war, it was fought between April 1965 and September 1965 between Pakistan and India. Lakhs of soldiers fought in this war. Thousands of soldiers were killed and thousands were injured during the war. In this war, Pakistan was well supported by America, Iran, Turkey, and Saudi Arabia. Modern tanks and planes were supplied to the Pakistan by America. But it is said, to win the war, power of mind is more important than the power of weapon. India had upper hand over Pakistan in this war. In short, India won this war. And much credit goes to the Air Force led by Marshal Arjan Singh. Actually, at first, Indian troops were facing problems on front line. But the then Chief of Army Jayantonath Chaudhary spoke with Marshal Arjan Singh if Air Force could do something in that situation. Marshal Arjan Singh was already preparing for that. Both Marshal Arjan Singh and General Chaudhary went to the then Defense Minister Mr. Y.B. Chauhan to seek permission for Air Force attack on Pakistan Army. When they got green signal from the Defense Minister, within 1 hour our fighter planes attacked on Pakistani Army.
September 1, 1965, Pakistan launched Operation Grand Slam in the Cham sector of Aknoor to seize Kashmir. Caught by surprise, the Indian leadership headed by Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri retaliated strongly. The Indian army not only thwarted the Pakistani offensive but also marched right into the heart of Pakistan, Lahore. The war also saw both air forces conduct massive operations. Although the Indian Air Force was numerically superior, the PAF was equipped with technologically superior fighters. How did the IAF thwart Pakistan's aggressive designs with its decisive aerial engagements? 50 years later, the Marshal of the Indian Air Force reveals what happened in those crucial weeks of the war.
Though Pakistani Air Force had US supplied modern planes like F-86 Saberjet, F-104 Starfighters and modern radar system in comparison with India's old planes like Gnats, Vampires, Hunters, our Air Force did better. We destroyed hundreds of tanks and many planes of Pakistan. It was because of our Air Force, our army could reach up to the Lahore in Pakistan. Arjan Singh was awarded with the Padma Vibhushan Award for his leadership of the Air Force during this war. Dear students, what is special about this marshal rank? Altogether, 14 ranks are there in Indian Air Force. The highest rank in the Air Force is Air Chief Marshal. But more than this rank, one more rank is also there, that is Air Force Marshal or Marshal of the Air Force. But anybody cannot get this rank. Chief of the Air Force also cannot get this rank. It's like anybody can become president of this country. One need not to do legendary work in his life to become president of our country. But to achieve Bharat Ratna, one need to do something great, something legendary in his life. In the same way, any high rank officer can become Chief of the Air Force, that is Chief of the Air Staff. But he cannot achieve the rank of Marshal of the Air Force. To become Marshal of the Air Force, officers have to do something legendary in their service tenure, like Marshal Arjan Singh. He did something legendary throughout his service in different wars, especially Indo-Pak War of the 1965. That's why he was awarded with the rank Marshal of the Air Force in 2002. Let's understand difference between the Vice Marshal, Marshal, Air Chief Marshal and Marshal of the Air Force. In first photo, we can see Vice Marshal has 2 stars on his collar. I am speaking about collar, not shoulders. If you see first photo, in first photo we can see Vice Marshal has 2 stars on his collar, whereas Marshal has 3 stars on his collar. The Air Chief Marshal has 4 stars on his collar. Still this post, any officer can be appointed on the basis of his service and performance. If you see last photograph, the Marshal of the Air Force has 5 stars on his collar, and that is why this post is also called as 5-star rank. This is an honorary rank and is given to only that person who does something great, some legendary work in his service life. The person who achieves this rank is allowed to wear his uniform after his retirement also. He can wear his uniform on different occasions till the end of his life. No other person or officer is allowed to have uniform after the retirement. Even though Chief of the Air Force, Chief of the Army, Chief of the Navy also cannot wear the uniform after their retirement. In the history of the Indian Air Force, only one person has got this rank, and that is Marshal Arjun Singh. Indian Army also has such a 5-star rank equivalent to this rank in the Air Force. In Army, this rank is called as Field Marshal. This rank is also allowed to wear uniform till the end of life. In the history of Indian Army, only 2 persons have got this rank. Number 1, General Sam Jamsetji Manekshaw, and number 2, General K.M. Kariappa. Indian Navy also has such type of 5-star rank, and it is called as Admiral of the Fleet. But you will be surprised to know that still today in the history of Indian Navy, nobody has got this rank. Means you can understand the importance of this rank in the defense. Dear students, with this introductory part, today we will stop here. We will continue it again in the next episode. But before leaving, not to forget to click on like button, and if you haven't clicked on subscribe button still now, then please click on it also. Thank you very much. See you in next episode. Thank you very much.